Hello students, this is the exercise number 6 of the Progressive Monthly Magazine, April 2021 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. The major question in India today, internally speaking, is this: what is going to be our policy in regard to this growing violence? I am not afraid of the violence of the hooligan, but of the spirit of violence. 2 days ago, on the occasion of the funeral procession in Lucknow of Narendra Deva, a person beloved of all, a policeman was blinded and others were badly injured. Why should this happen? A funeral procession should be an occasion for solemnity. Instead, some people threw stones and pushed about, and a poor policeman lost an eye completely, apart from some police officers being rather badly injured by stones. I cannot understand this. We in India appear to have a split personality. We speak undoubtedly about non-violence, about our culture and Sanskriti, while in our daily behavior we are coming down to a level which is not a civilized level at all. A hartal may be quite legitimate as an expression of opinion in a certain set of circumstances, but may become dangerous and objectionable in another set of circumstances. And I say that at the present moment, with these big tensions and bitterness prevailing in various parts of India, it is not patriotic, it is not wise, it is not reasonable to do anything which may lead to violence, even if the government is at fault. May I say a few words about the state's reorganization business? Slightly less than 2 months ago, we discussed the matter in this Lok Sabha. There was a very full debate, and I ventured to give expression to my own approach to this question then, too. As I have watched developments in various parts of the country, I have been troubled not by this occurrence or that, but by the atmosphere that is being gradually created. The main problem before me has been how to meet the challenge of the growing violence and bitterness. How can we possibly check it? How can we possibly soothe it? Some honorable members have referred, rather caustically, to some kind of a dictatorial approach by 4 men of the Congress committee who are supposed to lay down this and that. What exactly is the procedure we followed? I referred to it on the last occasion and to the multiplicity of these problems. I also pointed out that the problem usually was not one between the central government and a certain group or a certain state, but between two groups or states. Take this issue of Bengal and Bihar. Here, the state of Bihar and the state of West Bengal are thinking in terms of the same patch of territory as their own.